Welcome again Bitcoin World Crypto. Our today's project is CoinTalk. CoinTalk is basically a gaming platform where you can purchase your dogs and you can breed them. You can also use them as a racing dog and can win different prizes. This is the detail of CoinDogs. What is CoinDogs? CoinDogs is a blockchain-based game for people who love dogs, races, and NFTs. It is multiplayer game where you can raise or buy a virtual dog, participate in races against other players' dogs for fun, and profit. Create your own NFT collection. All CoinDogs pass their unique DNA to children via crossover. No two dogs look alike, and you can buy them and can start your race. Race your coin dog against other players' dogs as a fun and win different gifts, and you can redeem. There is a huge variety of special accessories for your dogs. Choose the coolest to make him look awesome. Breed and collect your own army of coin dog. You can get as many breed as you want and add them to your dog army. Make your puppies online celebrities by minting them as NFTs. CoinDog is now in beta version and soon they will release final version. We have been working hard on a bunch of cool new features to make all blockchain NFT enthusiasts love it. And there are 10,000 Genesis dog for minting, and after minting you can get 0 dog. You will be able to play and earn on CoinDog. You have to buy your dogs and you can breed and can order to play, and this is 2 Gen 0 dog are needed for breeding, and only these dogs will be breed. And you can generate revenue through your dogs. You can sell them, you can rent them your dogs, and you can play to earn with them and can earn free income. Sell NFT marketplace OpenSea. Rent your dog for breeding to new players. You can join their Discord here, and this is the detailed gameplay. Have the best chance to make coins racing your dogs against other players with no racing fee. Race more than one dog to increase your chance of winning. Race also on autopilot. Let your champion dog make coin while you sleep. 7 dogs per race. First place win 3x coins, second place win 2.5x coin, and third place win 1.5x coin. How to win race? This is the detail. Make him happy and adding cool accessories. Share it to your social network. Make sure Lunar Circle is the good one. You can buy these accessories for your dogs and make them unique. These are special rare game characters: the Fearless Money Badger, the exclusive Satoshi Unicorn, Werewolves, and Hellhounds. And these are the collection: CoinDog, Purity 25%, Breed 45%, Purity 16%, Breed 45%, and Purity 3%, Breed 18%, and Purity 6%, Breed 18%. So this is the end of the video. I hope you will like it. Thanks for watching.